Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Lulutox Detox Tea Herbal Weight Loss Tea Review. So you might be wondering, what is the Lulutox Detox Tea Herbal Weight Loss Tea that you may be hearing online? So Lulutox here is a herbal tea blend marketed for daily wellness, digestion, balance, relaxation, and energy support. Now, in this case, the current official website here mainly describes it as a cleanse and balance tea, and does not provide a specific guarantee about weight loss result here. Though, how to exactly use the Lulutox here? Well, according to their website here, say they do provide certain instructions on how to use it. Well, according to them, it's pretty straightforward. You just need to add one Lulutox tea bag to freshly boiled water and let it steep for about 5 minutes. Now, from then on, you can adjust the steeping time depending on how strong you want the tea. Then removing the bag, and from then on, drinking it. Now, the formula contains 12 herbs and botanicals here, including goji berry, dandelion leaf, yerba mate, matcha green tea, milk thistle, ginseng, stevia leaf, nettle leaf, lemongrass, guarana, oolong tea, and sencha green tea. Now, according to Ludotox here, the tea is intended to provide gentle wellness support, digestive comfort, and balance, and also stress management, and also energy boost. Now, the company describes the energy effect as coming from naturally energizing herbs and says the product contains no excess caffeine or sugar. Now, again, these are manufacturer claims. Now, the current listing for Lulutox tea as of right now is it's priced at around $25.95 and also sells a Lulutox sleep tea for the same displayed price here. So they do have two products in their website. They do have other options as well, like 2 packs and 3 packs here, with the appropriate pricing for or the pricing 42.85 and 55.95 accordingly. So yeah, so because this is a dietary herbal product containing ingredients such as yerba mate, matcha, and a lot more here, well, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before using it is actually recommended, especially if you take medication or have an existing medical condition. And also doing your own research into the ingredients and the manufacturer's direction is also recommended, just to be on the safe side. And maybe reading reviews outside your website is also recommended, just to make sure that you are getting the most out of your money. And this applies for anything that you're buying online. But that's about it. So for this video, avoid the like and share button and watch our next video.